1.5 million developers just got hacked. Two VS Code AI extensions, ChatGPT Chinese version and ChatMoss are stealing your source code, credentials, API keys right now. They are still on the marketplace as I'm recording this. This campaign was discovered by security researchers at KOI Security, and I reverse engineered both extensions to show you exactly how they work. If you have these installed, your data is already compromised. Let's break it down fast. 3 mechanisms, let's go fast. Mechanism 1. The moment you open any file, just open it, they steal everything. Here's the actual malicious code. Line 30 triggers every file switch. Line 42 reads the entire file. Line 44 encodes it in base64 to hide the data. Line 47 to 55 packages and sends everything. Your env files, AWS credentials, API keys, source code, all stolen the instant you open them. Mechanism 2. A remote server command that recursively scans your entire workspace and steals 50 files at a time in batches. Watch this. Line 146. Recursive function scans every folder in your workspace. Line 168 limits to 50 files per batch to stay under the radar. Line 171 reads complete content of each file. Your database credentials, cloud keys, entire code base systematically harvested and sent. Mechanism 3. A 0-pixel iframe completely invisible tracking. Check this out. Lines 13 to 16, they set iframe dimensions to 0 by 0 pixels, completely invisible. Line 31 loads ChatMoss Zhu. Zhu means data in Chinese. According to KOI Security, this iframe loads 4 analytics SDKs, Zhuch.io, Growing.io, Talking Data, and Baidu Analytics. These track your behavior, fingerprint your device, and build identity profiles, all without your knowledge. Both extensions contain identical malicious code, same variable, same Chinese comments, same tracking URLs. This proves it's one coordinated campaign, the MaliciousCorgi operation. If you install either extension, assume everything is compromised. Your source code, API keys, AWS credentials, SSH keys, database passwords, env files, all stolen. Here's what you do right now. 1. Open VS Code, go to extensions, search for ChatGPT Chinese version and ChatMoss, and uninstall them immediately. 2. Rotate every credential, API keys, database passwords, AWS access keys, Azure credentials, SSH keys, GitHub tokens, rotate them all. 3. Check your Git history for any unauthorized commits or pushes. 4. Review your cloud provider access logs for suspicious activity. As of today, January 24th, both extensions are still on the marketplace. Microsoft responded saying they're investigating, but they're still up with 1.5 million installs. This is a massive supply chain attack on 1.5 million developers. If you are affected, act now and don't wait. Like and subscribe for more updates when Microsoft finally takes action. Comment if you're hit. Share this with every developer you know, and seriously, go rotate those credentials right now. Credits to KOI Security for discovering this campaign. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.